Hey, beautiful soul, your happiness is the most significant contribution that you could make. In your reaching for happiness, you are opening a vortex which makes you an avenue for the well being to flow through you. And anything that is your object of attention under those conditions benefits by the infusion of your well being. Be glad that you don't have instant manifestation. This buffer of time is really your friend. It is your opportunity to observe and to ponder and to visualize and to remember. It is your opportunity to take an emotional journey that might be different from what you are actually observing. Type Amen if you believe in God.